Hello folks, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We are here in Pittsford, New York today. We are at 3:03 p.m. in the afternoon on Tuesday, March 12th. We're installing a quartzite, two quartzite countertops here. We have one of one color, one of another color. It's going to be a really cool install. These are both exotic materials. We're going to have a seam, we're going to have a raised bar here, we have a little piece to go in here, and we're going to have a waterfall in. So we have quite a few complex challenges on this job. Let's see how we do.
Alright guys, just hooking our backing bar here.
You have Mr. Remote Control.
Down!
Boss.
You guys remember that one time we were taking that countertop down to the basement? And Alex was on the bottom of the bed and that thing almost took off and got him? I was just thinking about it. Alex got run over by a counter. On that Christmas Eve install.
Getting our second piece in. Woo! My 600 play on the job.
Right.
Remember what button.
Do you want with button? Alright guys, for this smaller piece here, we're just going to move our suction cups over a little bit. And then the guy with the crane button is going to go out and then down a little bit. At this rate, we might get done by the end of the day. Alright. This one's super heavy, so they give it to me to lift because the crane can't quite lift it actually. We're dual wielding countertops. Dual wielding. Today's such a nice day. Be happier than pigs hitting in the mud. Especially if everything fits. Look at this, guys. We had this so planned out that we're going to tip these both up and both pieces are going to be able to slide on at the same exact time. This is going to be our waterfall end today. We don't want this in quite yet, so we're just going to set it off here to the side.
That's the wall.
Alright, guys. This is an L here. This is a lot of fun to get an L out. We're just going to hook up over here. And we're hooking down over here.
Okay, folks, we're gonna get the L out of here. This is getting the L out of here.
Up and away! That's why you need no lift. Huh?
Oh, I see. That's not. Is that more right?
Part of it.
It has like an assist to it.
We win.
Oh, the wheels go on. Oh.
This part's
Excuse me,
colored.
guys.
The lifting part. We're gonna go to the other side, Alex?
Yeah. Oh.
Watch Alex get chopped in half with the miter.
Cameraman's not on the right side. It's fire.
They can walk home.
Make him walk home. Yeah, what are you doing?
$329, folks. We're putting our last piece in. We had to jack that piece up a little bit, the last piece, so we can slide this piece under it. Hopefully everything fits.
Down. Up.
Grab the remote.
Up. Push the pins out. It's running away.
Am I giving you assistance?
Assisted living.
Alright, guys. Bring trip this countertop. Real purdy like. Whole part forward. This is very fragile and good. You touch line.
It is a little chilly out today, not too bad, so we're actually gonna heat this seam up with the heat gun so the glue kicks off faster, and to make sure we don't get any moisture into our seam from condensation as the stone warms up.
Hello everybody, welcome here with Unboxing with Andrew. Today, we're just going to unpack our faucet. We're going to do a very nice high quality faucet. Let's see what happens when you open the box.
she's doing pretty good at the moment, other than just slightly overwhelmed, but she's doing good.
Just keep filming.
What's
Oh
that?
my gosh, guys, look. Another box.
About a day a week she's doing in the hospital, so for doctors or whatever. She's been doing a lot better than she was.
The review.
What do you gotta have?
Whoa. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Alright guys, for the unveiling. For the unveiling.
Yeah, there's one,
For
that one's
the
let's see.
unveiling.
Do you have the size of it yet?
Look at that beautiful thing. Beautiful. Beautiful. AKA for $200. I think. Alright guys, we like whacking holes with people's countertops, so we're just gonna do it. Cap. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's magic. We're gonna do a few more. And because this has a round circle on it, that's going to make our hole circular. If we had a square head hammer, that's when we have a square hole. If you have the right hammer, you can fab a whole countertop. Alright guys, now I think off our picture here, it says they want another hole like somewhere, I'm going to say it's like 10 inches away from the other one. So we're just going to eye it up quick, and we're going to give it a nice little... And that there is how you hammer.
Sounds good.
And that there is how you hammer a hole in a countertop. No drilling needed, no dust, no anything, no cleanup. What? No way. Somebody used too much glue on it. Alright guys, oh you know what I forgot to do guys? The most important thing you can do with a sink. What is that number one rule? Dry fit your sinks. What did I not do? I didn't dry fit it. So you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna go for it. And if it don't work, then we're gonna just
Fire Andrew.
fire Andrew. That's right. And then no install will get done.
Hey folks, this is Andy coming to you from All Kitchens Amazing. We are here now at 8:41. Took us a little while on this job. We had a waterfall end, couple seams to do, raised bar top. Here with our customer Rick. What all do we do for you here in this project?
Way too much. I couldn't be happier with the finished product from start to finish. Everything's been great. The team's great to work with. I got to make some hopefully future friends here. I think couldn't ask for anything better out of this project.
On this one here, we actually made new doors and drawer fronts. They're not installed. Drawers are here. The drawer fronts and doors are not on yet, but what do you think of those that we made?
Quality's fantastic. I think, again, couldn't be more happy with the finished product. I can't even only anticipate what's going to happen next with the faces on there. I think it's going to look great, but the quality is very strong and very much recommended to anyone if they're planning on refacing and recovering.
Okay. Now you, I think, are right around an hour drive from our place.
Yep,
correct?
yep, about an hour drive.
Is it worth the drive
Oh,
out?
100%. I think everybody should. If you're doing an investment like this, a lot of big decisions, I think that, again, they're very helpful in making that happen and accommodating right on site. The hour drive is minimal.
Awesome. We really appreciate your business.
No, we
Thank you very
appreciate
much.
yours for sure. This is fantastic.
Awesome.